Hello everyone. So in this video, I'm going to be covering how you can apply for unemployment in Michigan. So first, you need to understand the steps. All right. The first step is you need to prepare to apply. So after that, you will submit your application. They will review your monetary determination letter. Then you'll have to register and search for work, and they will ask for update every 2 weeks. In other states, it's like every week, but they will ask you for information every 2 weeks. Then check for updates from the UIA. So I'll be explaining the steps. Michigan's Unemployment Insurance Agency, or UIA, is where you apply for benefits. So start by visiting the UIA website and then heading to the claimant roadmap. This is the roadmap here, the claimant roadmap. Now, before you apply, these are the things you will need. So, for example, you will need your social security number, driver's license, bank info, and work history for past 18 months, including pay stubs, EINs, and separation reasons. And to apply online, you will need to log into your MIL account. I believe, yes, this one, the Michigan login account, and using the this portal here. So, and this is used for most Michigan services. Now, inside MIWAM portal, you'll complete your application. It asks about past jobs, pay, and why you are no longer working. Be accurate to avoid delays. Now, after applying, you'll get a monetary determination letter. If you qualify, you'll either start receiving payments or be contacted for more information. Next, um, you'll like register for work using Pure Michigan Talent Connect, and verify your profile through Michigan Works virtually or in person. Now, every 2 weeks, certify online or by phone to confirm you are actively job hunting, available to work, and still eligible. Now, all you have to do is wait for messages like requests for information or notices of determination. Respond quickly to avoid interruptions in your benefits. Now, if you need more help, you can simply call them at 1-866-500-0017 or schedule an appointment. You can also chat with an agent Monday through Friday. And that's it. That's all for this video.